Hello, my lovelies, and how are you? I hope you're good. Let me take 5 minutes of your time to share another of my grandma's recipe. For a little girl like me that grew up in love with my grandparents, sure I will have some fond memories of them and what they cook, what we eat, and which I'm still very fond of. So I started by rinsing my water leaf, which we call gure in my language, is water leaves. So for you to get all the sand, the dirtiness out of it, you rinse it a couple of times, let's say about 5 to 6 times, depending on the volume and the size you're rinsing, so that all the sand and the stone can come out. So you had at a point I added salt in order for me to rinse it properly till the water is clear. So after that, you just watch this video. It gives you a clear direction on how I achieved this grandma's recipe. So today's recipe is my grandma, like I said. I fondly call her Mama Alade. Alade is a marital name. I had a lot of healthy, delicious soup a lot while growing up with my grandma. This soup is very, very common with the people of Abeokuta, precisely Ogun State in Nigeria. So the southwest part of Nigeria. We have different tribes in Nigeria. So this is palm oil. In this part of the world where it's cold, the palm oil is always coming like when it's especially when it's winter, it comes like it's frozen, so you just have to scoop it out. So this is palm oil. I add it to the pot. And this is how my grandma just make it. So remember, this recipe is my grandma's recipe. And when you're blending your pepper, no tomatoes. I didn't grow up knowing that even when you're cooking your eforiro or anything, you have to put tomatoes. To subdue the chilliness of the scotch bonnet, all you have to do is to put that long pepper, shombo or tatashi. But these days, cooking has taken a new turn on different ways. No one is perfect, but this is my grandma's recipe, and I just have to show you exactly how my grandma makes it. This is iru, which in English is called locust beans. So you have to rinse it as well, so that the sand or anything that is in there can just remain at the bottom while you rinse it. And you just drain the water. You can see I'm very careful, just to be careful so that the sand will not just go together while I was putting it. And smoked fish. There is no gray water leaf without no smoked fish. Titus we call it back home. Titus, smoke back home is smoke with wooden fire with the flavor with the wooden flames flavor. So you put that in. For this very recipe, you must put Titus or eja gbigbe or eja shower. You know those eja shower, those small small one like the Egun people sells. I love chili, so I'm adding more dry pepper, which we call atagungu to eat. That is how it's going to be nice. This very size is about 10 to 12 liters. It's not just for me. My sister is coming to take her own. So this is just for the two of us. She enjoys when I cook it. Then after you add your goat's meat, whatever protein you want to add to it. So this is exactly my grandma's recipe. This is how you cook it. This cooking is not complete without iru or ugiri. Make sure you have them in it. The video is well detailed, so you definitely cannot go wrong if you to watch it details, and if you want to recreate it, if you follow this step by step, believe me, it's going to come out perfectly well. Gure is for the people of Abeokuta, Ogun State. It's very common. So I'm so fond of this. Sometimes I don't even eat it with any swallow. I just, scoop it like soup, and I just drink it. So this is how it is made. So remember the water leaf after cutting it. This is the water leaf I'm putting. You first of all put bitter leaf. Remember that your bitter leaf must be washed, not that you just pluck it. Washed bitter leaf. If you're buying from the market, you buy your bitter leaf or you washed it. Or sometimes, most of the time, they sell the washed one, but I like to do my own washing myself. So this is what I do. I wash them in big, large quantity, and I just put it in my freezer. So whenever I need it, I just take it out. So it's not like I just wash it at every point that I need it. I buy a bulk of it and I wash it, I label it, I put it in my freezer bag, it's there. So when I want to use it for all this other soup, I just bring it out. So this is just how to cook buri or loboro. The Yoruba people call it buri or loboro. If you're in Nigeria and you're familiar with this soup, please remember to click the like button, you know. And sometimes, most of the time back home, if I have to eat this, my grandma knows. She buys me a call, which they call the English name agidi. So sometimes if I'm not having it with echo, I just take it on its own. So this is one soup like if I'm back home in Nigeria, my grandma knows. She prepared this readily for me. When are you coming to see me? Chicken best gure. That is how she sound. And I said, okay then, because she knows I love it. So if you like my video, so remember to share, like, click the like button, and see you again in my next video. See you again. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Bye.